Welcome home to this spacious yet cozy, newly updated gem in Coral Springs with ample parking in the oversized driveway. From the moment you enter, you'll be embraced by the open space of the living and dining area with high ceilings, tinted windows, and an inviting ambiance. The newly updated kitchen has granite countertops, new cabinetry, and stainless appliances and opens to a spacious area that can be used as a den, family room, or an oversized breakfast area. There's a large guest bathroom downstairs, a full laundry room with a new high-efficiency washer and dryer, and a full 2-car garage. And as we head upstairs, you'll notice the new wood flooring throughout the whole second floor. The master suite has a wall-to-wall walk-in closet, overlooks the backyard, and has a private bathroom with a sunken tub and a glass-enclosed shower. The split bedroom layout adds ample privacy in the master bedroom. The landing overlooks the living and dining areas, and down the hall, you'll find 2 sizable closets, an updated guest bath, a guest bedroom with a walk-in closet that overlooks the front of the house, and a 3rd bedroom which makes a great office. This home has a brand new roof, new air conditioner, new sprinkler system, accordion shutters all around, and the HOA fee is only $200 per quarter. There are A-rated schools nearby, as well as the Coral Square Mall, blocks of shopping and dining at the Walk, as well as numerous parks and a mega sports center. Close to all major highways and 20 minutes from the beautiful beaches, Coral Springs is a family community of culture and charm. The only thing missing here is you.